Good morning. It is snowing and we are at the base of Cabot Mountain. And I say we because we've got quite the crew with us today. It's not supposed to be snowing, but it is. Hopefully it'll stop soon. Maybe it'll even clear up a little bit, but I doubt it. But this is a great long hike and really looking forward to going out here. Trail is mostly broken out, but we'll be breaking out some more, and then hopefully I can make quick time getting back down. So y'all ready for this? Let's go do it. Yeah, we're about 3/4 of the way up. It's gorgeous up here. I tell you what, there may not be any views, but it's a gouda hike. I would say it's cheddar than a lot of the 4,000 footers. All right, so here is the view from Bottle Rock. It's not exactly a monster of a view.
No, it's not.
It is a nice one on a clear day, I will grant you that.
Mountain range that comes together right here,
If you've seen the inside of a cloud before, then don't bother.
This is my first time.
So according to the GPS, this is it. The last 200 feet or so had not been broken out at all. Nobody had hiked all the way here. So here's Lee.
Hi! I guess we're the first person to summit all winter.
What was your name again?
Ramon.
Ramon, do you mind if I film you?
No.
Okay.
Is this the official summit?
According to the map that I'm using, yes.
Right.
There's Michaela. There's Mitch. You're the birthday boy, and this is Mount Cabot. That makes you the big cheese for today.
Hey-oh, big cheese!
Did you work on that the whole ride out?
Pretty much.
That was a free out.
Okay, I'm taking a selfie video of you taking a selfie picture. This is awesome. All right, let's head back to the cabin.
Oh, wait a minute. I got some summit shenanigans.
Uh-oh, shenanigans. All right, they're doing some shenanigans up at the summit that I don't know that I won't be involved with. So I'm heading back. I'm going to wait for them at the cabin, have some lunch, get some water, and start transitioning my kit for filming the downhill. because I brought my butt sled, I got my GoPro, and I got my shoulder mount. I'm doing a terrible time holding this camera in place, but my hands are cold. So we're not done yet, but the hardest part's over. All right, here in the cabin, just relaxing a little bit. Time to get some food. And of course, summer sausage and cheese.
Cabot cheese.
Actually, it is Cabot cheese. It is Cabot brand habanero cheddar.
Yeah, I feel a little bit guilty because
All right, well, time to switch to the GoPro for the trip down. Butt sledding time. Sorry. It is fun, but I try and keep my eyes on what's coming up. I don't like to play hiker bowling. Well, the GoPro is dead, and the butt sled isn't far behind. I'm still using it when I can, but this will be the last hurrah for this one. Thankfully, I have 3 more in the trunk. I'm willing to spend more on one. The problem is, the expensive ones are also heavy. These are super light. So, I don't want to carry the extra weight. But we're almost to the flat. Ooh, almost bit it there. And then I'll put the snowshoes back on for the last, mile or so. But I left the rest of my group behind. I told them I would, because I have a promise to keep. I gotta meet with my wife at the hospital, spend some time with her. I almost feel guilty being out hiking while she's in the hospital, but I kind of need it. And to be honest, I needed this alone section. Get my thoughts together, because we got some challenges ahead. Speaking of, I need my hands. So I see cars ahead of me. Joined up with some other hikers since I left my main group in the dust. But it's been a great hike. And I hope you enjoyed all the cheesy jokes. So, have a blessed day. Azimuth out.